When people laugh at your English, it can feel like the room becomes smaller. Your heart beats faster. Your thoughts slow down. You start to wonder if you should stop speaking. You ask yourself, why did I open my mouth? Many English learners know this feeling very well. It is a quiet pain, but it is very real. Today, I want to talk to you about that pain, not to make it heavier, but to turn it into strength. I want you to know something very important from the beginning. If someone laughs at your English, it does not mean you are stupid. It does not mean you are weak. It does not mean you cannot learn. It only means you are brave enough to try. And trying is something many people are too afraid to do. Think about this. Speaking another language is not easy. It is not natural. It is not something everyone can do. When you speak English as a learner, your brain is working very hard. You are thinking about words, grammar, sounds, and meaning all at the same time. You are doing something difficult, something challenging. The people who laugh are often not doing anything difficult at all. They are sitting comfortably inside a language they already know. Many of us learned English because we had a reason. Maybe for school, maybe for work, maybe for travel, maybe because English connects the world. No one learns English just for fun at the beginning. We learn it because we want a better life, more chances, more doors open. That reason is strong. That reason matters more than laughter. When someone laughs at your English, it hurts because words are personal. Language is part of who we are. When they laugh, it can feel like they are laughing at you, not just your English. You may feel small. You may feel embarrassed. You may want to be silent. But silence is not the answer. Silence will not help you grow. Every fluent English speaker you admire was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once made mistakes. They mispronounced words. They used the wrong tense. They forgot simple sentences. The only difference between them and you is time and practice. Not talent. Not intelligence. Practice. Mistakes are not signs of failure. Mistakes are signs of learning. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. Children make thousands of mistakes when they learn their first language. We never laugh at them. We smile. We help them. We encourage them. As English learners, we deserve the same kindness, especially from ourselves. Sometimes the laughter does not come from strangers. Sometimes it comes from classmates. Sometimes coworkers. Sometimes even friends. That hurts even more. You may start to believe their laughter means you should stop trying. But ask yourself this question. Will their laughter matter in 5 years? Will it decide your future? Or will your courage decide it? People laugh for many reasons. Some laugh because they do not understand how hard it is. Some laugh because they feel superior. Some laugh because they are insecure and want to feel better. Their laughter tells you more about them than about you. Your accent is not a problem. Your accent is proof that you know more than one language. It is proof that you crossed a bridge many people never try to cross. An accent is not a wall. It is a story. It tells the world where you come from and how much effort you have made. There are millions of people around the world learning English right now. You are not alone. You are part of a global group of learners who are pushing themselves every day. Some are afraid. Some are tired. Some want to quit. But many continue. And those who continue always grow. Confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after action. You do not wait to feel confident to speak. You speak, and confidence slowly follows. Every sentence you say, even the wrong ones, builds your strength. Every time you speak after being laughed at, you become stronger than before. Do not let laughter steal your voice. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Your story matters. English is just a tool. It does not define your value. It only helps you share it. One day, you will speak English better than you do now. That day will come if you keep going. And when it does, you will remember these moments. You will remember the laughter. And instead of pain, you will feel pride. Pride that you did not stop. Pride that you did not give up. Pride that you kept speaking even when it was hard. Hold on to your reason for learning English. Hold on to your dreams. Let laughter pass like noise in the background. Keep your eyes on your future, not on the faces that laugh today. This journey is not easy, but it is worth it, and you are strong enough to walk it. I want you to imagine yourself in the future, not next week, not next month, years from now. Imagine you speaking English with more ease. Not perfect, but clear. Not without mistakes, but with confidence. Imagine yourself explaining your ideas, sharing your thoughts, helping others, maybe even teaching someone who is just starting. That future version of you exists because you did not stop today. The truth is, learning English is not just about language. It is about courage. Every time you speak, you face fear. Fear of being wrong. Fear of being judged. Fear of being laughed at. And every time you speak anyway, you win. Even if your sentence is broken. Even if your pronunciation is not clear. Even if someone laughs. You still win because you did not let fear control you. There will be days when you feel tired. Days when your brain feels slow. Days when words disappear. On those days, be kind to yourself. Learning a language is like climbing a long mountain. You cannot run all the time. Sometimes you walk. Sometimes you rest. But you do not turn back. When someone laughs at your English, you have a choice. You can let that moment close your mouth, or you can let it open your strength. You can say to yourself, yes, my English is not perfect, but I am learning, and I am not ashamed. Shame does not help learning. Practice does. Remember that English belongs to everyone. It does not belong to one country or one accent. English is spoken in many ways, by many voices, from many cultures. Your voice is one of them. You do not need to sound like anyone else to be understood. You only need to keep going. Sometimes, the hardest part is speaking in front of others. Your hands shake. Your voice feels weak. Your mind worries about every word. But every great speaker once stood exactly where you stand now. Growth happens outside comfort. If you always wait to feel ready, you may wait forever. There is power in continuing when others expect you to quit. There is power in standing tall after being laughed at. There is power in saying, I will learn anyway. That power changes you. It builds confidence not only in English, but in life. One day, someone will listen to you speak English and feel inspired. Maybe they are also a learner. Maybe they are afraid. And your courage will show them that it is possible. Your struggle today can become someone else's hope tomorrow. So speak. Speak slowly if you need to. Speak with mistakes. Speak with an accent. Speak with courage. Every word you say is a step forward. Every sentence is proof that you are growing. Do not measure yourself by laughter. Measure yourself by progress. Look back at where you started and see how far you have come. That distance matters. You are not weak because English is hard for you. You are strong because you are learning it anyway. You are not behind. You are on your own path. And that path leads forward. Keep your head up. Keep your voice alive. Keep learning. Keep speaking. And never forget this. The people who laugh today are temporary. The skills you build, the confidence you gain, and the future you create will stay with you forever.